If you want to create a rewind effect in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to reverse a clip so it plays backward and gives you that smooth rewind effect. This is a super useful editing trick for action shots, transitions, funny moments, and anytime you want to add a little extra creativity to your video. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut edits just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to edit. Once your video is imported, drag it down into your workspace and place it on the editing timeline. This is where all the main editing happens, so make sure your clip is sitting properly on the timeline before moving forward. Next, click on the video clip to select it. You need to make sure the clip is highlighted because CapCut won't apply the effect unless the correct clip is active. After that, look for the reverse button. In CapCut, this is usually shown with two triangles side by side and arrows circling around them. It's the icon that tells CapCut to play the clip backward. Once you find it, click reverse. CapCut will now start processing your video and creating the rewind version. Depending on the length of your clip and the device you're using, this may take a few seconds, so give it a moment to finish. When the processing is complete, your video will now play in reverse, giving you that rewind effect. You can preview it on the timeline to make sure it looks the way you want. If needed, you can trim the clip, add music, or combine it with other effects to make the rewind feel even better. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to create a rewind effect in CapCut by reversing your video clip. If this tutorial saved you time, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.